Welcome back students, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss about division. Division you already learned in first semester, unit 11 and unit 12. Before doing the division problems, we have to work out some division questions mentally. Examples: 1.6 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 1.6 divided by 8 is 0.2. 4.5 divided by 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So put the point before the last number. 4.5 divided by 5 is 0.9. The next one, 3.5 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So 3.5 divided by 7 is 0.5. You have some more questions in your workbook, page number 136, 137. Please complete those pages. The next one, complete these divisions. They will all have reminders. Now we are going to start the divisions with reminders. The examples: 11 divided by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So 11 divided by 2 is 5. How many left over? 1 left over. This leftover quantity is the remainder. So 11 divided by 2 is 5. The remainder is 1. 19 divided by 4 is, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is smaller than 19. So 19 divided by 4 is 4. 3 is left over. So the remainder is 3. 31 divided by 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 1 left over. So 31 divided by 5 is 6 and the remainder is 1. Now we are going to learn to divide by a one digit number. For that, first we have to know what to call each part of a division problem. Here I am going to show you the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. The dividend is the number that is going to be divided. The divisor is the number that the dividend is divided by. The quotient is the result of the division problem. The remainder is the leftover quantity. Now we have to find one example. Use the short division method to find the answer. 729 divided by 2. The dividend is 729 and the divisor is 2. So we can write 729 divided by 2. First you have to look at the first digit of the dividend. It is 7. We have to divide 7 by 2. Look for a number which multiplies by 2 to give us 7, as there is no exact fit. But we notice 3 times 2 is 6. 6 is smaller than 7. So we can write 3 in the quotient and 6 write it down. Then our next step is subtract this 6 from 7. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the next digit of the dividend. So our number will come 12. Now we have to divide this 12 by 2. But we know 6 times 2 is 12. So we can write 6 in the quotient and 12 write it down. Then our next step is 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Then write down the next digit in the dividend. 9. 9 write it down. Now look at the number which multiplies by 2 to give us 9. As there is no exact fit, but we know 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is smaller than 9. So we can write 4 in the question and 8 write it down. Then subtract 8 from 9. We get 1 left over. So from our question we get the quotient 364 and 1 left over. So the remainder is 1. (243) divided by 5. 243 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. We have to divide 243 by 5. In our example, the first digit of the dividend is 2, but it is less than the divisor 5. So we have to take another digit 24. We have to divide 24 by 5. Look for a number which multiplies by 5 to give us 24, as there is no exact fit. But we know 5 times 5 is 25. It is greater than 24. So we take the next smallest number. 4 times 5, it is 20. In this case, 20 is the greatest multiple of 5, that is less than 24. Therefore, we write 4 in the quotient and 20 write down. Then subtract this 20 from 24. We get 4. Then the next digit in the dividend is 3. Bring down the next digit 3. So our number will come 43. Now we have to divide 43 by 5. Look for a number which multiplies by 5 to give us 43, as there is no exact fit. But we know 8 times 5 is 40. So we write 8 in the quotient and 40 write it down. Then subtract this 40 from 43. 43 minus 40 is 3. Then there is no more digit in the dividend. So we finish our division problem and 3 left over. So our quotient is 48 and the remainder is 3. Students, I hope all you understood how to divide any number by a one digit number. Thank you.